Hi guys, in today's video my mom is sharing her recipe for beef in oyster sauce with you all. She makes one of the best beef in oyster sauce and it's so simple and so easy to put together. So if you want to see how she makes this, stay tuned. So to start, she has her beef and she used steak and she cut it up into thin pieces. You want to wash that properly. You'll need some chopped broccoli, sliced onions, sliced sweet peppers, and some sliced pimento peppers or seasoning peppers. She put some ginger into the beef and she's gonna mix that in and allow it to marinate for about 5 minutes. To a pot with some oil, go in with some minced garlic and allow that to saute for a couple of seconds. You want your heat to be on medium for this. Next, go in with some sliced pimento peppers and allow that to cook for about 1 minute. Next, she goes in with the beef. And guys, you don't have to use beef for this recipe. You can use any type of protein you want, shrimp, chicken, lamb, whatever you would like. Next, she goes in with some ketchup, some oyster sauce, which is the main ingredient, and a little bit of seasoned soy sauce. Last ingredient is some sesame oil. Mix and allow this to cook just until the meat itself is tender. She goes in with a little bit of sugar. She just likes to add that little extra sugar to this. If you don't want to put the sugar, you don't have to. Now go in with your vegetables. And she likes her vegetables tender crisp, but just like me, so she puts it almost to the end of the cooking process. So you're going to add in those vegetables and mix. And if you wanted to put some scallions or siphon to this also, you can. All you have to do now is taste and adjust your salt accordingly, and then this is ready to be served. So if you guys loved my mom's recipe, please leave your comments for her down below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you tried, let me know what you think. If you tried with a different protein, let me know what you think. Please remember to hit the like button and to share the video. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new recipe. Enjoy!